Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files and permissions. Open Shortcuts now. Create a simple shortcut to convert your compass image into a pass. Tap plus, choose Add Action, and search Create Pass or Generate Pass. This is the key action. Once added, configure pass type to generic and set the label to compass or similar. Make sure to attach your image, set colors, and add a unique ID field. This gets you immediately into the pass creation flow. Don't skip permissions. Once the skeleton is ready, fill the pass details precisely. Configure colors and image placement so the compass reads clearly in Wallet. You add the logo image or strip image, then populate fields, a short label, a serial number for uniqueness, and optional relevance date for sorting. Make sure your pass includes pass type identifier and team identifier placeholders, even if local, so Wallet accepts it. Then export the pass file, PK pass, to files. This middle step ensures the pass meets Wallet structure before final import. Now import the PK pass by opening it in Files or Mail and tapping Add to Wallet. You will see a preview, confirm the compass card looks correct. Once added, open Wallet and inspect the pass. Tap to see full details and verify images, colors, and fields. If something breaks, go back to Shortcuts and correct the pass JSON. Check required keys, image resolutions, and serial number uniqueness. A single troubleshooting tip: if Wallet rejects the pass, validate the pass structure and image sizes before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.